Hello everyone. Okay, so this is a personal budget template you can use for your personal use, or you can have this for your business, for your small business. Okay, so this is the chart dashboard, and here you can check your income and expenses, the percentage of completion. Like this will show you the budget. Your budget was 600, but this is $10,500, so it means that it's 13% of this amount. And same is the case with the income. If you go further down here, you will see the monthly income, and this will be the budgeted as well as actual. So you can see the variation month wise between your budgeted and actual income. In the category, in the expense category, so you can see your overall category expenses and their movement of your expense. All right, so when you will go down here, you will see the budgeted income, and if you will select any of this, you will see this is linked with the relevant month. So in this entire dashboard, you don't need to enter anything. Everything is fully automated, so only the one thing that you have to enter are taxes. So you can enter your yearly taxes. Like I have entered 10,000, so you can see that the color is of this cell has been changed. So I changed this color to indicate that only this thing, only the taxes are the thing that you have to enter manually. So nothing in this entire dashboard will be manually. If you go down, you will see negative figures. So this is just an dummy data. This is not actual. So here are the expenses. So if you will count there, you will see only 6 expenses, but you can add more expenses here. Like when you will add new expense, this will show all the remaining sheets. Now let's move to the January. In the January tab, there is you can see the cell color is different, so it means that you have to enter your budgeted income. So let's say your budget is you are running a business, and your budgeted income to make a target that you will achieve 20,000 in the month of January. Okay, so you will put the 20,000 here. Then you have then you want to track that I am where I am now standing. So you have to enter the actual value. So if you see that there is a formula, so you don't need to enter this. If you go down here, you will see the date, and then here you will enter the date and the actual amount of your income. And same is the case with the expenses. Here you will enter the date, and then from the category, from this drop down, you will select the category of expense. Then you will enter the actual amount of your expenses. So this profit will be calculated automatically, and this will show here. All right, and if you will okay, so here you will enter the budgeted income, your budgeted income and expense the budgeted expenses here. Okay, so it is the category wise, and if you want to add more, so I will add new category here. You will see the new category here, and you will see the new category in the drop down here as well. So this is manually enter figure. Okay, this is manually enter figure, and from this actual to downward, you have to enter data manually. So this is, and you can see, you can track monthly from the each tab, and if you go here, you can track yearly. So we can say that this is the monthly as well as yearly personal budget, or you can use this for your small business if you have like a small shop or something else. And if you go to the further tabs, you can see all the tabs are exactly same. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this, and if you think that you need any change, it might be possible you don't want these graphs or you want an additional graph, so you can let me know. I will personalize this, and we can add your branding as well here and change the colors and everything you want. Thank you so much, and bye bye.